Welcome back, and thank you so much for selecting the video. Much appreciated, and welcome to All Life Kitchen. Now today I'm going to prepare a beautiful curry goat dinner with a bit of dal, rice, and roti. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for any of my upcoming content. Now I'm going to go grab the goat and start the seasoning. Okay guys, let's get down to business. What I have here is the dry rub, and that dry rub have some curry powder, some cumin seed, chili flakes, some dry thyme, some salt, some pepper. Check the recipe in the description, everything's gonna be there. Now, one thing that you have to make sure is that you season the goat really well. So don't be shy with the dry rub. Okay, that seasoning is all on the goat. Now the next step, just grab a bit of plastic wrap, wrap it up, stick it in the fridge for roughly 2 to 4 hours before you start the cooking. Now what we have here is the seasoning for the curry. We have a bit of tomatoes, onions, garlic, celery, cilantro, thyme, parsley. Check the recipe once again. All of the ingredients will be there. And also I have the potatoes. I always have to have my potatoes in my curry. I cannot do without it. It gives it that full body. Now in a nice heated pan, just add a bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna add the goat that we had sitting in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And now we're gonna add all of that seasoning. Now we're just gonna stew up the goat and the seasoning for roughly 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're just adding a little more curry powder. Now we're adding 2 cups of beef broth. And we're gonna let it simmer for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Now everything's looking really good. Now I'm just gonna add the potatoes. Give it a little stir. I'm gonna add just a bit more curry. Now I'm going to cover it back and let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the potatoes are nice and soft. That looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. Now, just gonna turn the stove off and get it ready for plating. This just looks absolutely delicious. It smells beautiful. Once again, guys, thank you so much for selecting the video. Much appreciated. Do not forget, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for any of the upcoming contents. Take care. I'm out of here.